Hi, this is Linda from George Jewellery, and today we're going to have another look at my garden. So it's the end of summer. I have pumpkins galore. So pretty much the whole garden bed's been taken over by pumpkins and rocket. I've pulled out so much rocket, mountain of weeds over here. Some little pumpkins hiding. Lots of grasshoppers around. All different size pumpkins. Got some parsley seedlings in here. I've planted some snow peas and some runner beans. Done some more weeding this morning, so my mountain is even bigger. We had a bit of an issue here in summer from the heat of the sun with the pumpkins starting to split. So my friend from New Guinea Jewellery, who coincidentally comes from a village in the Highlands where I was born, and she just lives an hour away from here, she showed me to put some mulch over them, like that, and then that stops them splitting in the sun. So I had a visit from my New Guinea girlfriend the other day, Julie, and she showed me in the village in the Highlands in New Guinea, they eat the new shoots of the pumpkin. So this one's got a little tiny baby pumpkin on there, and I've done this already, it's delicious. So what you need to do, because there's these prickly bits all around the outside of the skin, is just peel that off. It's pretty easy. Just pull that down, strip it all. So you don't need to worry about the furry bits on the end here because they're quite soft. So then next thing you do is just chop it into pieces, throw it into boiling water for a couple of minutes. You just really want to blanch it. It goes a nice dark green. And then I put it in my fish curry. You can have it however you like, with butter or coconut milk, and crunchy and yummy, something different. I had no idea you could eat these. And in my case, I've got so much variety of pumpkins there. There's such an abundance, and I need to stop them all growing, otherwise I won't be able to grow anything else. So this is the perfect way to trim them all back. So I've got this giant zucchini here, which I've saved for seed. It's a bit tough. Cut that open. And there we are. Zucchini seeds. Scrape them out. Voila! Lots of zucchinis ready to plant. So we're just going to let these dry out. I'll put it on some paper towel, and once they're dried out they'll be able to be planted. And so when it comes to tomatoes and saving seeds from tomatoes, when you're slicing up your tomato on the board and all the little seeds fall out, just gather them up and put them onto some paper towel and let them dry out. So when you eat your pumpkins, same thing, just scoop out the seeds, put them aside on some paper towel and let them dry out, save them for planting next time. And I've got tadpoles. They're just getting their legs. So cute. Not sure what kind of frogs they are yet. We'll find out. This is my tobacco plant. It has beautiful flowers. Poincianas are nearly ready to go in the ground. And baby gum trees are growing. The mint's starting to come back. It dies down in summer. A few million chilies. I've had a bit of an issue with my hibiscus and took out most of my tomato plants, so white aphids, and I didn't realise, but the ants propagate them. They bring them in, they put them on the plants, and then they eat the nectar or the sweet residue that they leave behind. So I've been treating them for months now. Soapy water. As soon as I get them off though, the ants bring them back. Grasshoppers. Look at this peach tree. Way higher than me now. I've got some seedlings here so the grasshoppers can't get them. Cabbages coming up. Planted some snake beans in my bath. They're just coming up, and the tomatoes are reshooting from the plants that have been growing here for about 18 months now. Beautiful trees. It's just about time to make some more basil pesto as well. I came back from the river the other day to find this lovely visitor curled up in the ruby saltbush. So beautiful. The python. I think it's a carpet python. So pythons aren't poisonous, although they will hurt if they bite you, but it won't kill you. But I love snakes. Look at the way it moves. It's just so perfectly beautiful. And they do a really good job of eating the mice as well. Though hopefully not my frogs.